I put this story in for Will. To me, this is the combination of both his options.
What?
Yes.
A new option.
But not really, because you have to wait a million years.
Another 2 years.
But to me, it's just kind of like amazing that they like put two, like they put the off-road rugged and the EV, and announced it. We scroll down, you can see they're bringing back the Scout, which I didn't even know was.
That's your electric vehicle.
That's the EV option.
No. This is just the Scout.
Can you see Will driving that?
I think he could pull it off, actually. I might.
With Otis in the back.
Farmer's
might
hat,
work,
you know,
man.
straw in the mouth.
That's from 1961, okay.
Here, can you hit that according to? Right there. This will be the mock-ups. This is more what you're actually looking at. You can scroll down.
VW aims to launch Scout, an EV off-roading brand, rugged SUV and pickup truck in production in 2026. It's going to take a little time, Will, but we think you're going to love it.
Hey, I always like that boxy look with the Jeep and the Bronco.
Yep.
Big fan.
The bottom one looks a lot like Rivian.
This is what I was just gonna say. Yeah.
Shapes that they got going on there. All electric. That's what Will wants, one day at least. VW Group is on the precipice of launching a new dedicated EV company in the United States called Scout that will produce an all-electric pickup and rugged off-road SUV geared toward the American consumer, because those Americans love those SUVs, don't they?
Yeah.
Just like you,
And
Will.
trucks.
Yeah.
An American like you, Will.
I like him too, Will.
The company's supervisory board, which is chaired by Hans-Dieter Poch, will vote on the matter May 11th. Wow, this is very serious. They're having a vote on the matter.
Really?
I guess it's kind of a big deal to have a whole new brand. It's not so much to just have a new vehicle under the VW heading, but to just go new brand, like how Jeep is.
Yeah.
See, like Ford, they just go Bronco. They got the history.
Yeah.
They don't need a whole new brand. Maybe it's a good idea.
Well, Scout was originally to compete with Jeep.
Scout sounds kind of cool.
It doesn't sound too bad.
I don't mind Scout.
It's kind of like a dog's name.
You thought about it?
Yeah.
It's Kovu's alt name.
Scout, but don't you think?
He would have some type of bandana for sure. If he was Scout.
Yeah.
I was thinking like Boy Scout. Isn't that where it's derived from? Or no, it's not.
Oh, maybe.
Like,
Yeah.
Scout,
That makes more sense.
No, a Scout is like a military term.
Yeah, so
it's
you're
a
out
type of
there
rank, military rank.
and you're scouting. I don't know.
Well, yeah.
Scouting off-road.
Yeah, you're
in
out
a
there,
fully
you're
electric.
scouting.
I mean, it sounds cool. Like, if you're a Scout, that sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, I could get on board with one of those. Will you get the truck, or I'll get the truck. You get the SUV. We'll go scouting.
All right.
You can scout together.
Right on.
Hang on a sec. Scout will have its own underlying platform designed for off-roading.
You got to scroll down. Will.
Will somewhere in another planet.
I thought
right
you were
now.
reading the.
It's
comments
unclear
there.
where Scout will be located
chat.
or where the vehicles will be assembled. It would be unusual for an independent brand to set up shop at VW's Chattanooga plant, particularly considering these new vehicles will not be built on VW's modular electric drive kit or MEB platform. So it's like they're saying whole new deal. Whole new deal, whole new brand. Is anyone else doing big automaker, just whole new brand?
Hyundai,
electric.
they did Genesis, but I don't think Genesis has an electric vehicle, or they're working on one maybe.
What about Ionic? That's a sub brand.
But I think it's still Hyundai.
It's just their series of electric vehicles.
I don't think it's a new brand.
Right.
Oh, okay.
So
It would be like BMW has Mini,
Yeah.
Right.
right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it'd be along those lines. But I don't know in SUVs other than Jeep. Jeep is a brand.
Yeah.
But it's sold. Would this have its own dealerships, or would it be sold at VW dealerships?
These are very interesting questions.
I would say VW, but I'm a big speculator, so I don't know anything.
Hey, that color,
time speculator.
the color of that Scout would suit your outfit.
It really would,
for
yeah.
the flames.
Oh yeah,
That's a whole get up right there.
and that's got a little cowboy to it.
I think if
you ever been to Calgary,
the Flames
Stampede.
the Flames win the cup, and you scoot around in a Scout with this outfit on. Beep 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 beep. 1961 Scout 80 with a removable hardtop. It goes convertible.
That
Nice.
honestly looks like it could be like a model car, just like in like the background's like not even real. It's like the little mini.
Oh
car.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool though.
Nice.
Yeah, that's nice.
What do you say, Will? Think about it?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
Why not?